Hello there, we're staying at the Hilton Olympia, Kensington. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. So we're going to start off just kind of in front of me in the bathroom. If I scoot through. So we have stayed in this room. We forgot to do a tour last night. So there is nice footage overlaid, followed by our mess, which is this. So you have a sink, a toilet and a bathtub. There's plenty of towels just up there behind the door. Water pressure is really good. The only thing about the bath, although it's really deep, it's not very long. So you have to kind of do a awkward kind of body position to have a bath. And now we're going to walk through into the main kind of bedroom area. So as you come into the main kind of bedroom area, it's quite a thin but long room. You've got a luggage rack storage area here and you've got a large wardrobe. Inside your wardrobe, you also have, although it's really dark, an iron, an ironing board and a safe, which is free to use. So this room's come with twin beds, but they've pushed them together, but it's quite nice. It's made one kind of big bed. And at the side of each bed, you do have an alarm on this side, which has USB chargers, and you have some table lights and some reading lights and some storage area down there as well. Got a full-size mirror just here. On the other side, there is no USB, but you have your telephone. You've got some light controls as well, another reading light and a table light. You have some kind of like desk space here, so you've got a table here and a separate chair. Get stuck around the chair. This is our wonderful view. Don't really know what I'm looking at, to be fair. I've got a feeling that's Olympia over there, but I'll keep that closed for now. And then we've got a desk space here, so we've got a kind of office chair, desk space, hairdryer comes from one of the cupboards, tea and coffee and kettle, which does live down here, but we've obviously taken it up so we can actually make tea and coffee. Got a TV and you've got some more storage, one drawer there, a drawer here, well a cupboard here, with a fridge. So hope you enjoyed this quick room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below and we'll see you later.